Hey YouTube, you might be asking yourself, why am I staring at a vibratone horn up there? Well, this building has an interesting fire alarm system. And I'm also going to do the elevator here, obviously because I can't walk, but they would be BG12LX. Let's watch the little light flash. Now, the other thing is, this has a really weird mix of alarms in this building. So, here's the other vibratone horn from Federal Signal. Oh, sorry. And the BG12LX again. And over here, there's a Wheelock Exceeder. As I said, this is a really weird system. Now back to the elevator. Sorry for spinning around so much, but anyhow, I have no idea what this elevator is. I hope my video doesn't cut out again. So, sorry guys, I don't know what these elevators are. They kind of remind me of Dover maybe, but sorry, I don't know this. Ugh, something in my mouth. It's gross. Ugh. I hear this one coming from a mile away. What elevator? Oh, here it comes. Oh, sorry. Nice tab. Oh, sorry.
You're good.
What floor?
2, please. Thank you.
Here's the panel, or whatever you'd like me to call it, the buttons. The certificate. I need to get the phone over there a second. Or I'll let you up. No, you can go. Yeah. I'm not coming off. I'm just... The phone, ADA compliant, I hope. Yep. This is the 3rd floor. I'm not gonna do a tour of this building. I'm just gonna go back up. Why did I hit 3 when I'm already on 3? Look at this. It's like my hand is shaky. Gosh. No. You can join me.
Okay.
What floor? 2? Alright, because I'm getting off at 2 anyway.
Alright.
Just to share the fire alarm system here. And the elevator. You can get off first. I'll just angle this up so you're not in here. Alrighty. Now for this weird fire alarm system. I'm going to start with this messed up BG12. And a Wheelock NS. Wow, I almost forgot about that one. And look at how this is mounted. There's the fire extinguisher. But look, it's like overlapping and I can shove my pinky under the BG12. I find that to be messed up, but there we go. And now we have Wheelock RSS on this side and Wheelock Exceeders. Now in these offices over here, we actually have Genesis, EST Genesis, which I find to be really weird. Mechanical room's loud. Now I just need to go into this doctor's appointment, so I know. Oh, I'll bring you guys in. Sorry guys, I know you're looking at the floor right now, but see? And there's the Genesis. Weird system. Oh, bye YouTube.